we are needing some guacamole to go with our dinner tonight. I've got this little chopper. I could do it with a cutting board, but this is so much faster. It's got lime, I put lime juice, little onions, some garlic, and tomato in here, and kind of whipped it up, and then smashed up my avocado. I'll pour some of this in here and mix it up. Think about making your own. You don't want to make it too far in advance because it'll turn brown, and we're not adding any sodium to this. Just mix it up a little bit, and you have guacamole. If we make a full cup with the recipe, it's 15 milligrams of sodium. If you buy 1 cup at the store already done, it's 840. Trader Joe's has an unsalted white corn tortilla chip. Has no sodium. You can also get these on Amazon. And if you Google unsalted tortilla chips, you'll have other ones. There's different parts of the country that sell different brands. Walmart in the South has a brand that they sell that they don't sell here. But I don't know, check it out. Go check it out. See if it's good. See if it's good. It's guacamole. I'm ready for dinner. Forgot to tell you something. If you take a piece of plastic, I got a little baggie here, put it on top of this, and kind of squish it down, get the air out of it. Kind of stops it from turning brown. Then you put your top on it and stick it in the fridge. It's ready.